In today's video, we're going to look at some words which are pronounced exactly the same. Many English learners try to pronounce these words differently so that the other person can understand what word they are saying, but the reality is that they are pronounced the same way. Not, tail, week, flower, time, add, wait, stare, peace, male, buy, hour, morning, pour, pray, write, die, here, hold, there, waste, story, great, seen, soul, sun, fair, principle, cereal, blue, 8, board, pair, effect. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.